Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Raycon, the fitness speaker, and what this has is a lot of audio power. It comes with two cables, charging cable, USB-C to USB-A, and a 3.5mm jack, so we'll turn it on. Takes a couple seconds to boot up.
Raycon. Power on. Pairing mode.
Recently I tested the everyday speaker from Raycon, and that has quite a bit of sound from a much smaller speaker. This has a lot more sound. It even comes with like a shoulder strap. The shoulder strap attachments are here on the left and on the right here. And it's just a double tap to go through the three profiles.
Pure sound.
So it's pure sound,
Balanced sound.
balanced sound, and
Bass sound.
bass sound. It has your volume up, volume down. Once you link it to your device, you can also change the volume up or down on the device as well. It has dual drivers, so there's one here and one over here. Multi-link mode, so you can link multiple versions of the workout speaker together. It's IPX7 water resistant, has an incredible 12 hours of playtime. Like I showed you, the strap, you can put it over your shoulder, and the three sound profiles.
Pure sound.
Pure sound,
Balanced
balanced
sound.
sound, and
Bass sound.
bass sound. And there it is. The everyday speaker has gotten a lot bigger into the fitness speaker from Raycon. Please subscribe to the channel.
Power off.
We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.